In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redirect to your website after Stripe confirmation. We're going to walk through how to set things up so that when someone finishes a payment using a Stripe payment link, they're automatically sent back to a page on your own site. This is really useful for things like thank you pages, onboarding flows, or giving customers instant access to content after they've paid. First, open your Stripe dashboard and make sure you're logged into the correct account and environment, usually test mode if you're still experimenting. The home dashboard is your main control center, and from here, we're going to head over to the section that controls payment links. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, look for the option labeled Payment Links and click on it. This opens a list of all the payment links you've already created, which might be for products, subscriptions, or one-off payments. Next, find the specific payment link you want to modify. This will be the link your customers are currently using or the one you plan to share. Take a moment to double-check the name, price, or description so you're sure you're editing the right one. Once you've found it, look to the right of that payment link entry for a small icon with 3 vertical dots. Click on those 3 dots and then choose Edit from the menu that appears. This will open the settings for that payment link, where you can change what happens before and after payment. At the top of the edit screen, you'll see different tabs. Click on the tab labeled After Payment. This is where Stripe controls the customer experience once the payment is complete. By default, Stripe usually shows its own confirmation page to your customer. To send them to your website instead, look for the option that says something like Don't Show Confirmation Page. Click on that option. This tells Stripe that you don't want to use their standard confirmation screen. When you select that, a field will appear where you can specify a redirect URL. Click into that field and carefully type or paste the full URL of the page on your website where you want customers to land after they pay. Make sure it includes the correct protocol like HTTPS and that the page is live and working. Once you've entered your URL, save your changes. From now on, anyone who completes a payment with that link will be automatically redirected straight to your chosen page on your site.